Hello and welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm your host, Alex. Today is May 6th, 2025, and we're looking at a paper from Hugging Face's trending list, published just 7 days ago, titled, Beyond the Last Answer, Your Reasoning Trace Uncovers More Than You Think. This paper argues that for LLMs, or large language models, the final answer from their reasoning trace isn't always best. It explores using intermediate subthoughts, finding that the most frequent answer from these steps often improves accuracy. Okay, so the authors illustrate this on page 2 with a clear example. We see a reasoning LLM working through a simple garden area problem. The figure breaks down its thoughts into 5 steps, each leading to a potential solution. Crucially, while the final answer it lands on is incorrect, the most frequent answer among all its intermediate steps is actually the right one. This really highlights their core point. Alright, so moving to page 7, we see several plots illustrating this answer evolution across different models on math problems. Each graph tracks the answers derived from various subthoughts. What's really clear is how often the most frequent answer, the mode, lines up with the true solution, sometimes even correcting an incorrect final thought. We see patterns like consistent correct or fluctuating incorrect visually represented here. Building on that, this next figure from page 8 really drives home the point about consistency. It shows bar charts for 3 different models, DeepSeek, Light, and QWQ, on the AME 2024 dataset. What's striking is that for problems answered correctly, the mean entropy of the subthought answers is consistently low. But for incorrect final answers, the entropy is much higher, indicating more disagreement within the model's own reasoning steps. So this idea of subthought consistency leading to better answers is directly tested on page 9. We see bar charts comparing the accuracy of just taking the last answer versus taking the most frequent answer from all subthoughts. Across various models and datasets like ME 2024 and ME 2025, the most frequent answer almost always boosts accuracy, sometimes by quite a bit, especially with non-greedy completion strategies. This really reinforces their main argument. Okay, and looking at page 13, we see this consistency theme reinforced. This figure displays more bar charts, again for AIM 2024 with greedy completion, but across a wider set of models. And the pattern holds low mean entropy for subthoughts when the final answer is correct, and significantly higher entropy when it's incorrect. It strongly suggests this consistency is a key indicator. Alright, and now on page 14, we're seeing a very similar set of bar charts, but this time for the AIME 2025 dataset, again with greedy completion. Across a whole new spread of models, like QWQ32b, EXAONE Deep 7.8b, and several DeepSeek variants, the same trend is strikingly evident. When the model gets the final answer right, the subthought entropy is low, but it jumps up considerably when the final answer is wrong. So, seeing that pattern across different datasets and models really underscores the core findings. Essentially, relying solely on the final answer isn't always optimal. Instead, looking at the most frequent answer from intermediate subthoughts can significantly boost accuracy, and that subthought consistency, or entropy, is a strong signal of correctness. That's all for this AI Research Roundup. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm Alex.